Assalamualaikum. My name is Rashid Siddiqui and my experiment is activity of catalase enzyme in rapid blood sample. My topic is disorders related to deficiency of catalase enzyme. There are three categories of disorders related to deficiency of catalase enzyme. Number one, neurological disorder. Number two, metabolic disorder, and number three, other disorders related to deficiency of catalase enzyme. As you can clearly see, the names of disorders enlisted in the chart which are directly or indirectly related to deficiency of catalase enzyme. Number one, neurological disorder. The first neurological disorder is Alzheimer's disease. It is a severe chronic organic mental disorder which is a type of senile dementia. It occurs due to deterioration of occipital and frontal lobes. As you can see from this picture, the difference between the normal human brain and the brain of patient suffering from Alzheimer's disease. It is mainly due to the deposition or accumulation of catalase enzyme along with amyloid plaque. So catalase is unable to convert hydrogen peroxide into oxygen and water, due to which accumulation of hydrogen peroxide occurs. Number two, Parkinson disease. It is another chronic nervous disorder which is related to human movement. In this disorder, symptoms like slow spreading tremor of hand and leg, muscular weakness, rigidity, and a peculiar gait are included. As from this picture, you can see that the neurons of substantial nigra, which normally produce dopamine, are unable to produce dopamine due to reduction or decline in activity of catalase enzyme in substantia nigra and putamen of the brain in Parkinsonian patient. This enzymatic change occurs due to depigmentation and degeneration of neurons which are present in substantial nigra of brain. Number three, schizophrenia. It is another chronic severe mental disorder that has an impact on our speech, emotions, thinking, our social interaction with other people, and other everyday life activities. It occurs due in this disorder, the antioxidant defense mechanism is damaged due to excess of hydroxyl ion generation. As catalase activity is disturbed, the catalase activity is greater, which increases the oxidative stress in brain cells. Number four, bipolar disorder. It is a mental illness that has an effect on change of mood while sleeping, in energy, thinking, and our behavior. It includes both high and low mood changes. It is mainly due to the significant decline of catalase activity in bipolar disorder, which may be associated with both oxidative stress and inflammation. The second disorders are metabolic disorder. The first metabolic disorder is type 1 diabetes. It is also called insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. It is an autoimmune response in which your body attacks on our pancreas along with antibody. So pancreas becomes damaged and is unable to produce insulin normally, due to which deficiency of insulin occur. In type 1 diabetes, there is a significant increase in activity of catalase enzyme during all phases. The activity of catalase enzyme is highest at the beginning of diabetes 1. It indirectly confirms that oxidative stress is present in development of type 1 diabetes and is one of the major cause of type 1 diabetes. Number two, type 2 diabetes. It is also called insulin independent diabetes. It is a chronic disease which is characterized by high level of sugar in blood. It is due to the continuous increase in hydrogen peroxide concentration, which occurs due to decrease in catalase activity. It may be a risk factor for type 2 diabetes, as H2O2 inhibit insulin signaling in our body due to inactivation of oxidative sensitive tyrosine phosphate formation. Number 3, hypertension. Hypertension is also called high or raised blood pressure. It is a condition in which our blood vessels have significantly raised blood pressure. It can lead to severe disorders like heart diseases and stroke. As from this picture, you can see that in normal person, the blood flows easily through vessels within the brain, while in hypertensive patient, the blood flows abnormally or is unable to flow easily through blood vessels. In hypertension, oxidative stress occurs due to overproduction of free radicals or ions and due to depletion of antioxidant. Decreased level of catalase activity in hypertensive patient occurs. The last metabolic disorder is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, it is a bone disease that occurs when the body loses too much bone or makes too much bone or both condition. As you can see in this picture, the healthy bone, which has high amount of calcium deposited, while the second pic you can see a bone of osteoporosis patient in which is looking weaker due to fracture or any other kind of issue. In osteoporosis, bones become weak and may break from a fall or in severe cases from sneezing or minor bumps. Osteoporosis includes reduction in catalase activity due to oxidative stress, and this oxidative stress occurs due to disbalance between oxidants and biochemical antioxidants because of accumulation or majority of reactive oxygen species. The third category includes other disorders, in which the one of the main disorders is acatalasemia. It is an autosomal recessive peroxisome disorder which is genetic in nature and is caused by absence or low level of catalase enzyme and can lead to oral ulcers. As you can see in this picture, an oral ulcer present within the mouth of patient. In acatalasemia, the structural mutation in the CAT gene are responsible for inactivation of catalase enzyme, due to which activity of catalase is greatly reduced. Number 2, vitiligo. It is a long-term condition which is related to skin. In this disease, our skin in our skin pale white patches occurs due to the lack of melanin in skin. As you can see it clearly that pale white patches are occurring on our hand and are present on our hand. The catalase level in epidermis of vitiligo patient is low, with increase in hydrogen peroxide concentration, due to which hydroxyl radicals are produced in skin cells which oxidize lipid in cell membrane and damage keratinocytes and melanocyte cells of skin. Number 3, anemia. It is a condition in which number of red blood cells or hemoglobin concentration in blood decreases than normal. This disease is related to the blood. As from this picture you can clearly see that in normal human the amount of RBCs and hemoglobin content is more, while a person suffering from anemia has low hemoglobin content and low number of RBCs. In anemia, there is reduced catalase activity of the blood and an increased number of erythrocytes, and hemoglobin is coincident with the rising catalase activity of blood. Number 4, cancer. Cancer is a group of diseases in which group of abnormal cells divide without control and can invade our normal body tissues which are present near to that abnormal tissues. Cancer can spread on other parts of the body through lymph and blood systems. Due to low, it occurs due to low activity of catalase, which is mainly due to oxidative stress. This oxidative stress is produced and causes direct damage to the DNA molecule, which is responsible for formation and progression of cancers like lung cancer, breast cancer, colon cancer, liver cancer, brain cancer, and many other types of cancer. The second last catalase disorder related to catalase is asthma. It is a respiratory disease which is characterized by recurrent attacks of breathlessness and wheezing, which vary in severity and frequently from person to person. In asthma, the level of catalase activity in new onset asthma patient is significantly higher than in older patient. The level of catalase activity is related to adult asthma. As from this picture you can see the difference between normal bronchial tubule, while in second picture you can see that the bronchial tube of asthma patient suffering from asthma becomes narrow, and there is due to inflammation. Asthma may occur due to microorganisms and other factors. The last disorder related to catalase enzyme deficiency is Wilson disease. In this disorder, it is a genetic disorder in which excess copper built up in our body. It involves symptoms like fluid buildup in the abdomen, vomiting, weakness, swelling of legs, yellowish skin, and itchiness of skin. It is mainly due to the decreased activity of catalase enzyme in patients suffering from Wilson disease due to oxidative stress. In this picture you can see that eyesight of patients suffering from Wilson disease is becomes weak, and there may be there may be, and if it is severe, then a person may become blind. So this is the topic related to deficiency or disorder which occur due directly or indirectly due to deficiency of catalase enzyme. I hope that you can understand it in better way.